Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. Today I am going to introduce to you our own indigenous brand. They make trucks, cars, MPVs, etc. And the brand which I am going to review today is Mahindra. It's not a car, it's an MPV. The vehicle is inspired by a shark. By that itself you might have got a clue which is the vehicle, right? It's none other than Mahindra Marazzo. Let me show you the key of the vehicle. This is the key. There are no controls in the key as it is the base model and it is a flip key. Next, let's open the hood of the vehicle. And the engine bay is open right now. This is the engine as you can see. Next, let's talk about the specifications. There is insulation given over here. This is the diesel engine. The engine type is a D15 1.5 liter diesel engine and the displacement is 1497 cc. The max power output is 121 bhp at 3500 rpm. The max torque output is 300 Nm at 1750 to 2500 rpm. Here the battery of the vehicle is positioned deep inside which is not easily accessible. Let me close the engine bay. And the engine bay is closed right now. Now we'll talk about the design of the vehicle. These are the nozzles for the wiper, fluid, and the grill over here is not given in chrome. It's finished in black. Mahindra logo given over here. These are the headlights of the vehicle. It's a normal halogen unit. Below is the indicator. Does not get a fog lamp as it is a base variant. Below there's this grill. Now we are in the side of the vehicle. First let's check the tire size. The tire size is 215/65 R16s. These are 16 inches steel wheels, not alloys, as this is the base variant. Talking about the suspension, at the front it gets a double wishbone, whereas at the rear it is a twist beam suspension. All the four wheels gets a disc brake as a safety feature. Here in the side, it gets a quarter glass. This is the outside rear view mirror. It's colored in black as it is the base variant. It also gets a side turn indicator in the ORVMs itself. lots of cuts and creases. The shape is like a shark. The door handles is not body colored but is black in color. The back door handle is also black in color. As we come to the back, we realize that the tail lamps are finished in the shape of a shark's fin, as it is inspired by a shark. Here it's given in a black finishing, Mahindra logo given over here, no rear wiper. Mahindra badging given over here in chrome, Marazzo written over here in chrome, and this is the M2 variant. Below you get parking sensors, this is the reflector. Next, let us open the boot. This is the boot of the vehicle and there is no much space inside. If you recline this seat, we can get more space. I think 1 or 2 suitcases can be kept over here easily. There is no light or anything in the boot as it is the base model. Let me close the boot of the vehicle. Let me show you how to get into the third row of seats. Just pull this lever and with one touch everything comes back. Now you can get into the third row. Now I am in the third row of the Mahindra Marazzo and let's check the space at the rear. Under thigh support is a bit poor. Legroom is sufficient enough. I have enough legroom. My legs are not scraping. As we talk about the headroom, it is almost adequate. And 3 children like me can sit in at the back easily. The headrest of the vehicle are adjustable even in the third row. Here there is cup holders. And the best part is you can split the seats. It's a 60-40 split like this. So you can increase the boot capacity. The AC vents are placed in the roof as you can see. Here there is a handle, quarter glass given over here. You don't feel like suffocating inside it because it's airy enough. There is a cup holder also over here. Even seat belts are given for the third row. Here at the top we get AC vents along with AC controls as you can see. It also comes with a light in the center. Here there is a handle along with a hook placement. Talking about the door, it's a huge and muscular door. The door handle is given in a black finishing as it is the base model. Here are the power window switches. Below it gets a cup holder, I mean door pockets. Now let's check the space at the rear. Legroom, superb. The seats are scooped but no magazine holders. Under thigh support is also very good. Headroom is also very good. All the headrests in the vehicle are adjustable. Even the third row headrests are adjustable. And in the center we get a USB port only for charging. And the hump is almost flat. It is a very low hump but that will not bother. Even it gets armrest for seats as you can see. And guess what? It gets Isofix child seat mounts for the back seat. Even being the base model, it gets Isofix child seat mount, which is a good safety feature. This is the dashboard of the Marazzo. It does not get any screen or anything because it is the base model. Now I am sitting in the driver's seat of the Mahindra Marazzo. First we'll start off with the steering wheel itself. This is the steering wheel of the vehicle as you can see. It is the base model so it does not get any steering mounted controls. Even this is finished in a black finishing. It's a 3-spoke unit. And the stalks in the left side is for the wipers, whereas on the right side it is for the headlight. In the steering also it gets an airbag. Despite being the base model, the steering is adjustable only for height. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. Let me turn on the ignition and show it to you. And it does a full swipe in the RPM meter and in the speedometer, as you can see. The center is the multi-information display. The left is the RPM meter and in the right is the speedometer. There is also light which glows. The inside rear view mirror of the vehicle, it's not an auto dimming unit as it is the base model. It should be manually adjusted like this. And here there's no sunglass holder nor a mirror. In the center it gets a light. Let's check the co-driver sun visor. Here it gets a mirror but no light. It can also be extended like this. I don't want to peel the cover, so I'm not showing it. On the co-driver side there's a handle, whereas on the driver side there is no handle. We'll check the driver sun visor. There's no mirror, no light, but it can be extended from here. Now let's check the dashboard of the vehicle. Here it gets an AC vent. On the top variant, here it gets some kind of finishing, but as it is the base, it does not get it. This is the dashboard. Here on the top it gets nice finishing again. Here there's some storage space. You cannot see it much, and AC vents placed over here. There's no screen or anything of those things as it is the base model. Air conditioning controls given over here. I like the knobs very much. Gets chrome inserts in the knob as well. Hazard light switch given over here. Even in the base model it gets a start stop function. These are the other switches. This is the 6-speed manual transmission of the vehicle. This is the handbrake of the vehicle. It's an aircraft style handbrake. I like it very much. And deep below, here we get a 12-volt charging socket. And some space over here. Here it gets 2 cup holders. Below also we get 2 cup holders. Let us take the glove box of the vehicle, and here there's decent space enough inside it. It's not a cooled one. Let's close it. Here we get a AC vent. This is the headlight leveler, and we also get a mode called Eco. Here there's some storage space. The keyhole gets a light around it. Talking about the pedals, it gets a dead pedal. This is the driver door of the vehicle, and the door handles are finished in black. These are the power window controls. It does not get one touch up down feature. Below is the door pockets. It is written as you can put in an umbrella, not a big umbrella, maybe a small one. And here you can fit in a 1 liter bottle easily. So friends, now we have come to an end of this vlog, but as usual, let me try starting the vehicle. And there you go, it rose to life. Now we have come to an end of this vlog, but before leaving, let me tell you about the Marazzo. It is a spacious and comfortable vehicle. It might be a big vehicle for a small family, but overall, it is a spacious and comfortable vehicle. And it does not compromise on safety. It is known as India's safest MPV. Yeah, that's right, it's India's safest MPV. And also our own indigenous product. So as usual, if you like my video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind.